Hi, I'm Megan and I work as an Educator and Art teacher at SDN Woolloomooloo, and today we have a learning experience that can be done in nature. It can be done in your local park, it can be done walking around the neighbourhood, or even if you're on holidays. This experience only requires a basket or perhaps a bag, and it's about looking down on the ground and collecting those fallen leaves, pine cones, pods, branches, sticks, and having a close look at them, feeling them for texture, how much they weigh, if they're wet, if they're dry, what colour they are. It's all about examining and having a moment to look closely at nature. I hope you feel inspired to go outside and enjoy nature with your child.